Everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Here on my channel, I like to do quick, easy design projects and also some cooking for the busy people that doesn't have a lot of time to decorate, but still wants a beautiful home. You know, people like me. I'm always busy, but I like to still have a beautifully decorated home. This is a reclaimed antique door that I de-stressed and refinished a long time ago. And this is a reclaimed barn beam entryway table that I bought at Miller's Rustic Furniture. Great for my entryway table. This is the first thing everybody sees when they walk in the front door, so this is something I really want to look good, because this is my home's first impression. If you have an entryway table, this is your home's first impression. Don't let it be car keys or iPhone charging. But I start out with a wreath. And I always make sure my bow looks nice, because they get flat easy. This wreath can be found on Buckeye Girls Wreaths.com, along with many other beautiful fall wreaths in all styles. Also, I have this item that I like to decorate for fall. It's a nice welcome truck with a windmill. And I'm going to put that in the center because I want to welcome everybody into my home. And then I'm going to add a stack of velvet pumpkins. I love velvet pumpkins, and this matches the truck, so I want to add him. But I like bows. Bows are my downfall. I love bows, and I love decorating with bows. Here's a bow I'm going to add to the pumpkins. You can use this on a wreath. You can use this on a garland. You can use this on your mailbox, on a post outside. But I am going to add it to my velvet pumpkins, just to give it a little bit more fall ribbon. You can't have enough fall ribbon, you know. You could also add this on a gift if you were given a gift for the fall. This can be found that bow can also be found on my website, BuckeyeGirlsReaths.com. And same way with these beautiful pumpkins that my husband creates. He creates all kinds of wood decor. So these will be added to my entryway. And if you wanted to, you could add a garland with lights if you wanted to. To me, I like to keep it simple. We're in a hurry. We don't have time for all this overdue. But I do have this empty shelf, and I don't want to leave it blank. So I found this cute little guy. Isn't he absolutely adorable? I found him, and I thought, well, either I'll have him sitting at the bottom of this shelf, or I could put my pumpkins there. But I think for now, I'm going to put him there. So it's not just a blank shelf. I don't like the looks of just a blank shelf. But I will show you close-ups of all of these designs and a close-up of the entryway table, so you get a good final impression of what I did, and see what the first impression of my home is, because this is what everybody's going to see when they walk in my front door. Like I said, if you enjoy simple, easy decorating tricks or simple, easy designs that you can make for your home or simple recipes, Buckeye Girls Reason Things is the channel for you. And please subscribe and please hit the notification bell because I love to upload lots of videos. And every Friday night at 7 p.m. I have date night. Date night is when I come live on YouTube and teach you a simple little project. And we also talk and joke around. It's me and my husband. So he's doing the camera. So you'll should get a better video than today when I do it myself. But it's where I can get in touch with my community and my family on YouTube. But the next clip will be an up-close view of what the finished product of this is. Talk to you later and goodbye. Thank you for joining me. This is the finished product of our entryway table. As you can see, this little guy is sitting at the bottom of the table. Here is our velvet pumpkins with my big bow on it because I love my big bows. But if you didn't like the big bow, you could leave it off and use it somewhere else. And here's the truck because I just love the truck. As you know, the turquoise truck is even in my logo. And here's Thad's pumpkins that he created and he makes. It's there on my website, BuckeyeGirlsReason.com. So is the bow. But this is my favorite of all times fall wreath that I made this year. This is one of my favorites. I love the setting. And I just love the velvet pumpkin. Talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.